Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is Monday, the 27th of June. I have an interesting episode for you today. I usually, of course, this channel is always about helping voice actors grow their business, and with tips and tricks and things that I learned from stepping in it, like I say. But today I want to talk to you about an idea that I've had for a couple of years, and it never came to fruition. It was an idea that I had in 2019, and then COVID hit, and we weren't able to move forward with it. As time has gone on, I've thought more about it, and just recently I was working with a student who brought back up their interest in it, and basically. Today I want to talk to you about the idea of A VO's Journey possibly putting on a virtual conference, an online conference. I think that this would be an extremely exciting event that focuses on what we are doing, a lot of us in the community, and that is working online. Working through platforms like Voices.com, like Fiverr, like Upwork, like ACX, like People Per Hour, like Voquint, like Badalgo, like Voice Realm, Voice 123, Freelancer, Findaway Voices, Ahab, all of these websites and many more, right? We work through all of them. Many of us generate our entire income through one or multiple websites. We have our fingers in all of them. And we also use other online tools. We have our studios from home, right? We represent ourselves. And I find that a lot of what is out there does not currently reflect that. And I always wanted to create a conference through A VO's Journey in person. And we're still going to do that. But I think what I'm looking to accomplish, and I'm looking to bring it to fruition this fall, is that I want to start this first conference. It will be an online virtual conference where you'll be able to come, and the goal is to have representatives, top sellers from all of these websites, from these places that help us work from home. Here's another thing. What about, places like all these different website generators, or people who are helping you work online as a voice actor, create your website, equipment companies, we work solely now, so many of us, just online at home. And I don't see a lot of that reflected. And it's something that I've built my entire life around, is working at home through online avenues. All right. Even if you're marketing from home, what about email marketing companies? What about these things where we want to know how to do it? Cold calling. There's so many things that we can do, I think, in A VO's Journey voiceover conference that so many other conferences can't. Okay. Or don't want to. So I'm excited about this opportunity. I wanted to come on and talk to you about it. You know me, I don't like to keep things private. I like to tell them, get them out in the open, and kind of muddle over it, see what your thoughts are, see if you're interested in it. I've put out some polls, and I'm really excited about this possibility. I haven't come up with any, what exactly, if it, what would it cost, if it costs anything. But the cool thing is, to start, it would be virtual, but the idea would be to go to a hybrid model where we would have an in-person event, as well as you could attend online as well. But I definitely love the in-person events better. But to start, especially, with everything going on too, with gas and things so high, it'd be a nicer place to start online, I think. That's just some of my thoughts. I'm interested in what your thoughts are. I think that so many times, I know for me, we hear so little from or in the mainstream type of community, we don't get to hear from websites that are running millions and millions of dollars through their sites to us voice actors. And I think it would be really neat to have that representative because, like I said, I run my entire voiceover business online. I represent myself. I'm not saying one is better than the other. I'm just saying that's what I do. And I know I coach a lot of voice actors to do the same. And we have a really big community in VO's journey now. It's growing. And, we have a lot of people doing the same thing. I think geography is no longer a limiter to what we can accomplish. So, it would be nice to have a conference that reflects that. So let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know how you feel. Leave some comments below, and even ideas that you have. So I think it would be a really neat thing. And hopefully, this is something that will happen. And I know a lot of people have offered to help, and I'm excited. I've already got some people from websites. I won't list names or who they are, but it's super exciting that I've already agreed to be a part of it. So I'm looking forward to it. And of course, I will, we will announce everything soon, depending on the feedback I get from the communities. I'm putting out polls and things, seeing how people are feeling. So far, it's been overwhelmingly positive. So I'm excited about it. So let me know what you think and post some comments below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell. And I hope to talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. And I look forward to hearing from you. All right. Bye-bye.